JOOJ, stock analysis next week, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Looking at Alphabet stock, or Alphabet Incorporated, GOOG. Yeah, the price is down 3%. It's not that bad. I mean, end of week report is going to be down approximately around 3%, which you can see we're just in this kind of correction phase, which is totally fine. Higher time frame, still quite bullish. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, got thousands of correct predictions up on my YouTube channel, and all of it has been documented. And with GOOG, still, the only thing that I'm waiting for is just to double down on this buy, right? Like, I've been waiting for this shift to happen for such a long time, and it's been just edging me, you know, it's been edging. And if you don't know what that is, good. But the only thing that I care about is just the shift. And if without the shift, I'll just still sit here, keep an eye on this, and then just follow other ticker symbols. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.